What role does the nervous system regulation play in the entire manifestation process? Could you please share one or two examples so that audience can relate to it and they get some insight as what exactly are they supposed to do?
So, nervous system regulation is something I would give you an example with. Okay, I'm now in like having a one-on-one coaching with one of my client. Okay, and she is into a married life. Okay, with in which her in-laws are not like what you say. She be in a very
Supportive.
restricted, yeah,
Hmm.
not supportive. They are not supportive at all with her. And when it comes to her husband also, he doesn't speak to to his parents that that much support she should get. That means he doesn't raises his voice for her. Okay, and this gives her little that even my husband is not telling anything. Even if he says, it's like normal. अब एक होता है कि बोल्ड वाला जैसे बात कर रहे हैं कि that other person should be knowing that next time they should be not doing this. And other thing
Absolutely.
is okay just saying कि हाँ बोल दिया
Casually.
है मैंने, हाँ
Yeah.
कैजुअली बोल, मतलब ही विल अब वाइफ ने आके बताया ऐसे ऐसे हुआ है, मुझे बिना वजह बोला जा रहा है सास के तरफ से, so you tell them what I have told but they are not listening, so you tell them. So he would go and tell, oh, don't do this, don't do that. Now that is the casual way wherein people be वैसे ही लेंगे. So now when I have started working with her, I have been healing her inner child. I have been healing herself from all of the other emotional blockages which she is going through. And also with this, I'm healing her nervous system as well. So now even she gets triggered when her in-laws does all of these things. Her trigger is a lot right now because she has been facing this since long years now. So now after getting into this healing, definitely she has been not getting triggered. She has been avoiding and ignoring all of those things. But recently she had shared me a story in the sense whatever she was going like again her mother-in-law was telling something to do this that unnecessary things, and her response to her husband was not like हाँ कि तुम जाके बोलो or anything. So she just told, see, why should I be doing this unnecessary things? Instead of that thing, we could be spending time with each other. So they were giving some unnecessary stuff to her to work, which is not needed at all. So what she told, instead of just blaming and complaining, what she told in return is that instead of this, we can have time with our own self, right? We can spend time together. Why should I be going and doing this? Now, the point of telling this is कि रिस्पॉन्ड जैसे किया उसने, उसके नर्वस सिस्टम जो था, इट डिडंट वेंट एंशियस एंड वेंट एंड वो मतलब जाके कंप्लेन कर दिया हस्बैंड को. इट वाज लाइक शी टुक इट इन अ वेरी काम वे and there came her higher self which let her spread love towards his husband. And इतना वो spread हो गया ना that the first time he raised voice towards his parents and telling his parents that why she should be doing always. This is not something her so he has a sister, okay, this is not something which she does. So here he compared also with her, so that now her in-laws will not see that कि सिर्फ यही क्यों करना है, मेरी बेटी भी तो नहीं करती है तो मेरे साथ बहू से मैं क्यों एक्सपेक्ट करूं. So when we work on nervous system, no, it stopped triggering us, it stopped giving us that calmness, and then we respond at a higher level. So that's what I have seen, the nervous system regulation, that's how it works.
So basically, it is like the event is happening. It is more of, how do we respond
Yes,
in a peaceful way rather than getting
peaceful way, in the
anxious.
calmer way.
Yeah,
Yes.
great.